Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. About to do a super duper, you've got to keep positive, super duper little acrylic pour. And this is just a nice little canvas. I'm trying to do these little canvases to give us gifts away with a Christmas card or something, you know, around Christmas time to family and friends. It's always nice adding something personal that you've made yourself and it's special. And you try and choose the right person for the particular colour or vibe that that piece of art has in it. So, you know, get busy, people, and do some homemade gifts that will be so much more well received because they're given from the heart and something you've created, I believe. So that was just spreading out my base coat, and I'm going to do one of these little swipes for a monochromatic background. So that was just the white. Now this is the Australian flow trolleys mixed with Amsterdam black, and it helps create, or it does create, these absolutely gorgeous lacy cells, as you see. Just gorgeous. So just taking your time with that. I'm just using like a soft plastic file divider that I've cut up into those little sections, and you kind of just drag, well, you just put the very tip of your plastic in, your soft plastic, into the paint and just drag it lightly over the top, and you just get these super duper results. It is really lovely, just the whole painting on its own. Let's look at those beautiful, oh, I've got my big thumb in it, haven't I? Sorry about that. Oops. Look at those beautiful lacy cells as a background. Can't really complain about that. Look at those. That's just with the Amsterdam black and Floetrol. It just creates that straight away lovely laciness. I just wanted to show you before I carried on much further. So I'm going to pour a little bit of the black there, and I'm going to go with, this is some of the navy. This is just my ordinary pouring medium. Oops, that's poured all over me. I've got no gloves on and no apron because oh dear, I'm in a right mess. Goodness. Okay, and I'm going to go with my metallic bronze. This is my champagne, which is 50% gold, 50% silver. Just go a drop of the navy in there again. I might even put some of the white in. Oh, my dogs are having a lovely old time out there. So this is again the Amsterdam titanium white, just with Floetrol added. I will go back to the bronze. This is a very simple, easy beginner's pour, if you like, or it's a kind of a pseudo bloom. It creates a bloom, but just with my normal ingredients. So it's going to almost be monochromatic because it's, oh, I haven't added a few of the similar colours. I wanted to add this antique gold in there too. Probably a bit late now, but there you go. I will do it. Do it. Then again, a bit of the black. That is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'll just add a bit of heat to burst any air bubbles. And puppy dogs come to see me. Puppy dogs. Okey-doke. And now I'm going to get my little baby Bayless and let it do its thing. Oh, wow, wow, wow. That is so good. I'm actually really glad I put that antique gold in there. Look at that. Just really needs a... Just with my skewer, I'm going to define some of the areas. I'll get rid of this bit in a minute. That is just gorgeous. Very simple. A nice little canvas you can put in a little frame, and they're great to give as gifts, even if you're just giving a bar of chocolate and you give this with the little, it's just a really nice gift. So that is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I get my little, it's just an ordinary size balloon with a little bit of water in, and I like just getting rid of that line here with a bit of, like it looks like little flower bells hanging down, as you see. Oh, that's nice. That's cute, very cute. You can even just use your finger in these cells to give a finger kiss, which is just like that. When I bring you down with the camera, you'll see the lovely effect that just dabbing your finger can do. It gives these tiny little kisses in there. Should I try it there? Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's really lovely. Just little finger kisses. Bring you down so you see them. That is really cute, really lovely colours. I've got lovely laces. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at that. Very simple, but very effective. Just look at this. This is so gorgeous with very few colours. So I just pushed that little balloon into a few of the spots to bring up some more. Look, that looks like a fairy dancing there. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at the colours. Very, very nice. Just that navy with the gold. Champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver, the bronze, metallic bronze, white, and that was the antique gold there in that sort of yellowy one, and then the white and black cell activator, which is just Floetrol mixed with the Amsterdam paint. I'll have a link down below for the products on my Amazon store. But look at those little finger kisses. See how sweet they come out. Really gorgeous. How simple is that? Could have a whole painting with just that. It would look so... People like that kind of minimalistic, monochromistic. Is that a word? Monochromistic. And then those little hanging... Oh, I don't know, what would you call them? Look like dancing girls, don't they? But that's very sweet. I've done this in all colours. I think I did one the other day in all the cherries, Berry Delicious, and I did one previously in 50 Shades of Green. It's all greens, and they turn out lovely and wonderful little gifts. All right, my lovelies, I want to thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It costs you absolutely nothing. And stay safe and keep well. Until tomorrow, bye for now.